Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your video project in Sharefactory on the PS5 in 4K. So by default, I think it's only like 1080p. So what you want to do is press Options, go to where it says Export Settings, and then we have Most Efficient WebM 1920 by 1080, Highest Quality WebM, 4K pretty much. Or we have MP4 if you're trying to maybe use this on the PC and you're having a problem with WebM, just export it in MP4. So you want to make sure you select it this with square and then press X to confirm, and this will render the project in 4K. Now, if you're only using 1080p clips and you're rendering it 4K, you're not going to get any kind of resolution increase. So make sure you're actually recording your screenshots in 4K. So hold down the share button, open this window, go on over to capture options. Now go on down to manual recording resolution and go on over to 4K. So all those video clips I had were in 1080p, so if I render in 4K, it wouldn't even matter. So I got 4K on here. Now when I capture the video clips and I render them in Sharefactory, it's actually going to look like it makes a difference. So just make sure you're doing that and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.